Time for some spin now. An off-spinner comes into the attack. That's been sliced away for 6. Looks like he's sending a message to the bowler. First ball boundary. A beautiful sweep to clean that ball up. That's some fine running between. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. He's scrambling back to the blocks. Can he make it? Did he make it in time? The umpire says he did. Safe. Swept away in a frenzy. Lofted it skyward. Is that going to cost him? A safe pair of hands from the fielder. And there goes the wicket. Swept across with no mercy. They lose another wicket in quick succession. He's kicking himself for that shot. Easy catch by the fielder. The bowler's on a hat-trick here. A premature end to a promising start. Caught out. Hat-trick it is. Unbelievable. He's had absolutely no time to settle in. Out off the first delivery. Golden duck. He's a real shotgun, this one. Let's see if he can generate some swing. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. That looks like a big one. A treat for the eyes as the batsman scoops it for the good old helicopter shot. He never saw that catch coming. The striker shuffles back to the pavilion. Some nimble footwork and a dainty flick that races down fine leg. The bowler goes up with excitement, but no, says the umpire in the end. Got it! It's an all-out attack from the bowling. Another batsman bites the dust. That's a well-judged catch by the fielder. Wickets piling up on the other end. Really good effort in the field. He's played it with soft hands on the onside and makes it look effortless in the end. Not the hardest target. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. That's a good throw by the fielder. Get it right back at the stumps, opening the tally with a quick single. That's lofted for massive six. What a beauty. What a cracking start. A boundary off his first encounter. That's given out by the umpire. Let's see what happens here. A DRS review will be risky here for this ball. That's the first wicket down in this innings. A hard smack sends the bowler a message. Keep doing that and I'll keep hitting you for 4. Catch! 4 more runs to end the over. This close contest is coming to an end as the bowler begins the match-deciding over. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now a perfect delivery. It has deceived the batsman completely. It's in the air. If that finds a pair of hands, it's over. That's a good throw by the fielder. Get it right back at the stumps. The bails fly up, but the umpire's finger doesn't. He's safe. Big shouts from the bowler. He thinks he's got him. The shouts are loud.